cutting. Your wheels are past the corner. Come on. Attaboy. Keep cutting it. Come on. You got to make 4 feet. Come on back. Come on back. Straight back. You got it. Come on in, Dan. Come on in. Yep. You're good. Just a little bit that way. Come on. You're good. Oh shit. Now we're gonna make it. It's just gonna. Come on. Michael, you watch that wheel on that side. It's not touching nothing, right?
No, we're good. We're good.
Come on. Got about 8 inches. Good pull. Here you go. I think he's gotta go. You can look on that. It's gonna come around this way.
Oh, does the flywheel come in
Yes,
front?
the flywheel's in the front.
Okay, got it.
The pulley setup is in the back. Okay? Alright, just move them hoses or they can stay there even. I don't think it matters. Just leave them there.
If we can do them later.
Alright, for that. You're gonna get the 2 front pins, and then we're gonna just lean it back and drop in. Alright?
Yeah.
Good?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir. God, banding is great.
How about that?
I love it. Nice and controlled.
Alright. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
You're clear.
Keep going.
Okay.
Good.
But now it's going to turn when you go to work on it too.
Well, we can always take
Hold
care
on
of
to
it.
it. That's all.
Flywheel comes in nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, old Ray. He's a good man.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to think
He
about it.
was part of my history as a fireman. He knew me as a fireman, knew me, like, you know, what jobs we went to. You know,
It's lousy, man. It
like
really
you say,
is.
sharp as a tack. You know, like just. But he had a stroke, and he's lucky that he passed away because they said he would have been deceased.